a message you guys have been waiting for a longest period of time. Now this message is finally coming towards you. This finally the message is arriving towards you. I can see for a very longest period of time you guys were in a no contact situation. You and your person are not having contact right now. You guys in a no contact situation, a separation situation probably, and you were lately overthinking so much. Like you were actually overthinking, you were having a sleepless nights, and you were not in that exact your energy was very much burned out. You guys were feeling so much disheartened, was so much in pain, because not only your mental health was suffering, but at the same time your physical health was also suffering, because you guys were having so much pain, and you were thinking a lot lately for this person, like why they are ignoring you, why they are doing all these things, they are not answering your text, or maybe so you were actually just wanted to know why they are doing all of this thing with you, right? You just wanted your answer, you just want your answer, like why they are doing this thing, why they are not answering your calls, why they are not answering your text messages, or maybe, and in your head, you the people who are watching this video, in your head you were actually explaining a lot of scenarios. You were actually explaining yourself scenarios that maybe they are having maybe they were facing some sort of money issue, their career, maybe they are having some career issues, or maybe they are not in a lot of, you guys were self explaining, you guys were thinking a lot, you were questioning the reality, you were questioning why they are not contacting you, and you were self explaining all the things to yourself, because at the end of the day they were not answering you, they were not calling you back, they were not texting you. So you just don't know, you are sitting there hopelessly, and you were actually I can see you were actually blaming yourself. You were in a guilt zone, you were blaming yourself for the longest period of time. You are blaming yourself, like might be you did something wrong, might be you did something wrong, or maybe something that they must have felt in a certain way, or maybe you did something that they felt very wrong, or maybe something, I don't know. So you want your answer, you want why they are doing this thing, and finally universe have your back. You just always wanted to know this thing. Okay, fine. So this answer is finally coming towards you. They are going to communicate with you a very very soon. So first of all, prepare yourself. Okay, buckle yourself up, prepare your questions. First of all, prepare your questions, what you wanted to ask them, because they are coming towards you, they are finally answering you, they are going to contact you. And when this communication will happen, let me tell you one more thing. When this communication will happen, you will probably certainly wonder, or maybe feel, first of all, initially you will feel very happy. Okay, you feel very happy, very enthusiastic, full of hope, full of ray. Let's see this card. This card is more of like a hand that is coming out from the clouds and giving you ray of hope, right? And this is exactly how you're gonna feel when this person will come and communicate with you. But at the same time, in your intuition or the back in your mind, because your intuition is very high, let me tell you, you guys, your intuition, your intuitive mind, your intuitive self is very high. You know when something is wrong, you know when something is off, you just feel that thing in your senses, in yourself, right? So of course this person is coming with a proper closure, or maybe a communication. I can see they are communicating with you, of course, and this communication initially will start from a messages, or maybe messages, or maybe the calling something, right? And of course you will feel very happy, you will feel enthusiastic, but at the same time, in your intuition, in your intuitive mind, your intuition will kick just at the right time, just at the moment your intuition will kick in and tell you, no, something is off, something is, fishy over here. Like, I don't know why you're feeling this way. Maybe initially the thoughts that you were planning, or the self explanation that you guys were giving yourself for the communication that they were not doing, the self explanation that you guys were doing, giving to yourself, might be that explanation is more of like is getting true. I don't know. Let's see what else is coming. A wish fulfillment, a happy feeling, a cherished feeling. Okay, now I understand. See, because they were not communicating you from the longest period of time, right? And all of a sudden they just appear from nowhere. Okay. So this is more of like, all of a sudden they appear from nowhere, because the longest period of time they were not communicating with you, and now they are, and because why you are feeling this way, because they are in a very high enthusiastic way they are going to communicate in with you, because a high fire energy, high fire sign, fire energy, the Aries energy, or maybe the Scorpio, or the Sagittarius energy is kicking in. Might be your person is Aries, Scorpio, or Sagittarius, I don't know, maybe you are. Okay, so when they will communicate with you, when they are going to text you, or maybe call you, or tell you to come and see you, you can feel the sound of the voice of him or her, that is very passionate, which is actually very passionating sound. Okay, so initially you will actually feel very good, but at the same time you will give a second thought, like why they are sounding so much passionate all of a sudden, because for the longest period of time they were not there was no communication, zero communication. So now all of a sudden they are being very passionate, being very lovey-dovey. Okay, so you will ask the questions, you will ask them a lot of questions, you will get your clarity. Okay, and with this clarity, with the questions, this person actually trying to give you the world. What I mean by this person actually try to grab your attention, get your attention by telling you all the things that they want to tell you, or maybe all the things that somewhere down the line you want to hear or you want to listen. So this energy, all no doubt this energy is very much happy and everything, good energy, and of course they are in a good energy, good happy energy. But one thing that I really wanted to tell you, because bottom of the deck we have 7 of Swords, so you should be very much, you guys should be very you guys should be very because I think you just don't trust him or her blindly. No blind trust, please, just don't trust them blindly. Because why I am telling you this, you know what exactly, because bottom of the deck, this 7 of Swords is bottom of a deck energy. So what I mean by that, when I say don't trust them blindly, because see, might be they don't have that much of a good intentions, might be, I'm not sure. Okay, might be. So you have to dig more into this person's thoughts or the feelings by questioning more. Just question them more. Okay, and just don't sway it away by their beauty, or maybe sway it away by their flirtatious way. Okay, because something that they have been hiding you from the past, something that they have been hiding you from the longest period of time, now that truth will actually gonna reveal. And when this truth will reveal, when you dig deep down with questions, just bombard your questions to them. Okay, and initially one or two, maybe one to thrice. They will not answer you exactly, but you have to do this because something they are hiding from you. Because see, judgment is also coming. Something they are hiding from you, and they are actually very afraid. I'm not saying this person is cheating. Might be they are not cheating towards you because okay, let me tell you one thing. This is more of like a cheating energy or a cheating card. But with the judgment card, I don't feel like they are cheating to you, or maybe they are doing a cheating towards you. This is more of like, might be they get stuck, or maybe they get they got something back in the mind, or maybe okay, this is just the opinion. So that's why I'm telling you again and again, just ask them question. A lot of question will give you a lot of clarity, right? Might be there is something that they are afraid to tell you, because they are afraid that you will judge them on their their thing. They have this feeling, they just don't want that you will judge them. They are afraid of you to be the judgmental type. Okay, so that's why I think they are not telling you something. Might be they have actually cheated on you, I don't know. Might be they have actually cheated on you, and now they are afraid to open up, because if they will open up, you will not take them back again in your life. But again, let me tell you one thing. This person more of like, I can feel they want a new beginnings. They want to rekindle with you. They want new beginnings, new beginning in terms of this relationship with the Page of Pentacles. And that's why might be they are not telling you, or maybe they just kind of try to ignore your questions, or try to ignore the things that you were asking. So just, I don't know what exactly this is. But at the same time, let me tell you one thing. This person is actually in a rekindling position. They just want to take things forward with you in future, of course. And they just wanted to grab your attention. That's why they are sounding very passionate. And this is more of like a strategy with the Knight of Swords. Strategy, what sort of strategy? Strategy is more of like, see, you and I each, we all know a Valentine is coming. Okay, so this time, this is that year, that time of a year that is coming, right? So they are actually more of like, okay, fine, let's go and try to give this relationship a new opportunity, or maybe new beginning. And when they say a new beginning or new opportunity, this time of the year is very great. So they are actually using that opportunity. This is not a wrong, right? So this is not actually a very wrong way of doing things. I'm actually very happy for you guys. I don't know, but somewhere down the line, you guys, back in the head, back on in your mind, with this intuition being kicking in. And I think more of a sudden, all of a sudden, more of like, you guys actually more of empathetic, or maybe the intuition. You guys are psychic mediums, I don't know. You got this psychic visions in your dreams, and maybe, I don't know. So due to this thing also, maybe due to your this energy, uh you will get second thoughts of this, I don't know. So in general, if I may have to give this a precise, so in general, this is a very good reading. A good energy is coming. They are finally coming back towards you. They are going to, you both are going to have a good time together. And this connection or a new communication will start from a text message, maybe. So I hope this reading resonates with you. And if this resonates, double tap the video, comment down, I claim the reading with 1111 angel number, and let me know in the comment section how you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. Thank you all. Bye bye. I love you all. Bye bye.